Ever wondered about the health benefits of beetroot? Well, you're in for a treat. Beetroot, this humble, earthy vegetable, is a veritable treasure trove of nourishment. It's a good source of vitamin C, bolstering your immune system, and folate, your body's tiny construction worker, tirelessly working on cell division and DNA synthesis. But the generosity of beetroot doesn't stop there. It is also loaded with minerals like potassium, a trusty guardian for your heart, and manganese, a diligent architect responsible for bone formation. Now let's delve a little deeper into the heart of the matter. Beetroot is a champion for cardiovascular health. It's like nature's cardio workout without you having to break a sweat. This vegetable is packed with dietary nitrates that our body cleverly transforms into nitric oxide. This nitric oxide then helps relax and dilate blood vessels, lowering blood pressure. It's like a gentle, natural way of maintaining your heart's health and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. And speaking of workouts, beetroot has a special treat for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. The nitrates in beetroot can enhance your endurance and exercise performance. They work like tiny efficiency experts, improving the way your muscles utilize oxygen. This means you can go that extra mile, do that extra rep, or hold that yoga pose just a little longer. Beetroot juice has become a favorite natural performance enhancer in the fitness world. So, beetroot is not just a vibrant addition to your plate, but a powerhouse of nutrients and a friend to your heart and muscles. Whether you prefer it in your salad, your smoothie, or as a colorful side dish, beetroot has a place in your diet and a significant role in your health. Stay tuned for our next scene where we'll unearth more hidden wonders of beetroot. This humble vegetable has a lot more to offer, and we can't wait to share it all with you. But the magic of beetroot doesn't stop at nutrients and heart health. Let's delve deeper into the hidden wonders of this vibrant root vegetable. Beyond its nutrient profile, beetroot boasts powerful antioxidant properties. Packed with betalains and vitamin C, beetroot helps protect your body cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals. This antioxidant power not only helps to reduce the risk of chronic diseases but also contributes to overall well-being. But that's not all. Beetroot also has a robust anti-inflammatory character thanks to compounds like betalains. By reducing inflammation, beetroot can help prevent and manage various chronic conditions, ranging from arthritis to heart disease. Shifting gears a bit, let's turn our attention to the brain. Beetroot's high nitrate content has the potential to enhance blood flow to the brain. This improved circulation can have a positive impact on cognitive function and may even reduce the risk of age-related cognitive decline. So, next time you're gearing up for a mental marathon, consider beetroot as a potential brain booster. Now let's journey down, from the brain to the gut. Beetroot plays a crucial role in promoting healthy digestion, thanks to its rich dietary fiber content. This fiber helps regulate bowel movements, prevent constipation, and supports the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. A happy gut often translates to a happier you. And for those who are conscious about their weight, beetroot has something to offer as well. This root vegetable is relatively low in calories and fat, making it an excellent choice for individuals looking to manage their weight. Moreover, its high fiber content contributes to a feeling of fullness, helping to control appetite. From antioxidants to brain health, beetroot is a vegetable that keeps on giving. Let's continue to peel back the layers of this health powerhouse in the next segment, and beetroot's benefits extend even further. This vibrant red vegetable, with its unique combination of nutrients, is a powerful natural detoxifier. The pigments that give beetroot its color, called betalains, support the body's detoxification process. They assist in breaking down and eliminating unwanted toxins from the body, leaving you feeling refreshed and revitalized. But the wonders of beetroot don't stop there. It's also a fantastic skin booster. The antioxidants, especially vitamin C in beetroot, contribute to healthier, glowing skin. They work to fend off the signs of aging, like wrinkles and fine lines, and promote a bright, radiant complexion. It's like having a beauty treatment from the inside out. So, whether you're looking for a natural way to detox or a boost for your skin health, beetroot has you covered. From detoxification to a radiant complexion, beetroot truly is a wonder vegetable. So why not add some to your next meal?